If your Chevy Colorado's volume knob just spins but won't work, don't panic. You can probably fix it in minutes, not hours. Here's how. First, let's check the basics. Turn off your truck and restart it. Sometimes the stereo just needs a quick reset. If that doesn't help, look for debris around the knob. Dirt or dust can block the connection. Just wipe it gently with a clean cloth. Still not working? Try pushing the knob in and out a few times. Sometimes the contacts inside get stuck. If you're still having trouble, press the audio button on your dash and see if the touchscreen controls work. If they do, your knob itself is likely the problem, not the whole stereo. For most people, these simple steps fix the issue. But if your volume knob is still dead, a quick visit to your dealer or auto shop might be best. Sometimes, the knob's internal parts wear out, and it might need replacing. Remember, you're not alone. Many Chevy Colorado owners have this problem, and most fixes are quick and affordable. With these easy tips, you can get your music and podcasts back in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other car tips.